Hello everyone, we are at part 2 in the series of creating a 9-box grid dashboard. Today we will learn how we can enter names dynamically to the 9-box grid as we can see over here. If you want to understand the 9-box grid or make a summary, you can click on the link above and view part 1 of the series of 9-box grid series. Let's quickly begin with the mapping names by using filter function. I have kept a template ready, so we will go to new sheet 2 and we will start with our formula. We will use filter formula. Filter is available in Microsoft 365 version and it is used to extract or filter data basis one or more matching criteria. Let's see how we can apply this formula so that we get our names automatically from our data set over here. Equals to filter. If you see, it is asking for array over here. Array is the data that we want to be displayed in the column over here. So we want names to be displayed. We have selected names from the data set. Comma. Next one is include. So we want performance and potential as the criteria. First criteria is performance. So we select performance and we want it to match to 1 over here. But we also want another condition to be combined over here, which is potential is equals to 3. To do that, we will first insert our brackets because there are two formulas and we want two conditions to be added. So include asterisk, go back to data set, select potential equals to 3. This also needs to be in the brackets. And if you see, we've got the names over here. Now we are getting the results, but it is spilling over multiple cells. We want all of this data to be combined in one cell. To do that, we will use text join. Text join, open bracket. It is asking for delimiter. Delimiter is the separation that we want before two names. In this case, we want comma. Then it's asking true, ignore empty cells. So if there are any empty cells, we want it to be ignored. So we type true. Comma. The third part of the formula is text. Our text comes from the filter formula. Close the bracket. We have the names now, but we want it more neat. Let's have each name in separate line. To do that, we go after comma, we enter ampersand char 10. This is used to enter a new line after every name. Now, if you see, we are getting all the names separated by comma and in different line. You can replicate the formula in all of these cells over here the way I have completed over here. Now, if you want to filter the data also by departments, then you can have department over here. You can combine the department condition by asterisk symbol over here. And you will get the name department wise. Currently, we are getting all the names. Let's see if the formula is correct. We go to Samantha Wheeler in dataset. Here, performance is 1, potential is 3. Let's change this. If we make it 2 and 3, the name doesn't reflect now in the cell. In our third part, we will analyze the data. So stay tuned and click on subscribe button. If you find this content helpful, please show support by liking, commenting, sharing and subscribing. Bye-bye for now. Until next time, keep learning.